Here, Amanda, you can go get that one. Okay, let's see you hula hoop, hun. You can do it, babe. You can do it. Let's see you do it. You're almost there. Great job. Hey, Dilly, what's Amanda doing? She hula hooping? Yeah. Amanda and Dylan just ate a bunch of raspberries. We're at the farmer's market in Playa Vista. Can you do it, Amanda? You can do it, Gracie. Yeah, try it again. Let's see. Wow, you gotta kind of shake your hips a little. Great job, Amanda. All right. You can do it, babe. You can do it. Here, do it over there, sweetie, so you're not next to a bunch of people. Yeah, move back a little. There you go. There you go. Great job, Amanda.